On July the 10th, the project consortium of the TRIÄRS Hydrogen Valley travelled to Innsbruck in order to attend the WIVA P&G HyWest workshop at the Green Energy Centre. This event was organised in order to facilitate a knowledge exchange between the Austrian HyWest Hydrogen Valley and the Greek Hydrogen Valley TRIÄRS, which is currently under development with the support of the European Union and the Clean Hydrogen Partnership. Under the project lead of motor oil HyWest, the TRIÄRS project consortium consists of 26 partners from industry, academia and research, as well as public authorities and local government bodies, spanning 5 different countries: Greece, Cyprus, Netherlands, Austria and Egypt. Nucleated around the motor oil HyWest refinery in Theodoroi, the TRIÄRS project will become the flagship hydrogen valley in the southeastern Mediterranean geography, aiming to demonstrate the combination and integration of multiple hydrogen applications. For example, city buses, passenger vehicles, shipping, and power plants into an efficient and resilient interconnected ecosystem that covers the full hydrogen value chain of production, storage, transport, and distribution of green hydrogen to end-user applications. The main purpose of the organised workshop was to inform the TRIÄRS Consortium about the lessons learned from the already implemented HyWest Hydrogen Valley and the establishment of a regional green hydrogen economy in Western Austria. Several talks about connected and future projects, as well as the national, regional and local framework and regulations, were given by invited speakers, and the participants were also able to learn more about innovative hydrogen applications in transport and mobility, and have a hands-on experience with a hydrogen-powered vehicle. The second half of the workshop was dedicated to a site visit of the WIVA P&G HyWest MPREIS Hydrogen plant in Vols. This site is a vital part of the WIVA P&G HyWest project and incorporates one of Europe's largest alkaline pressure electrolyzers for the production and distribution of green hydrogen, as well as a high-performance refueling station and multiple hydrogen storage solutions. Furthermore, Austria's first hydrogen-powered truck is currently here in operation. During the guided visit, the members of the TRIÄRS Consortium were able to ask technical questions and to learn more about the experiences and challenges of running a fully implemented hydrogen production and distribution plant. Given the large size of the TRIÄRS Consortium and the variety of the partners involved, reaching from research institutions to large companies and government authorities, the workshop proved to be a valuable experience and exchange for both the HyWest as well as the TRIÄRS project, and a step towards the strengthening of the future TRIÄRS Valley and the establishment of the Greek hydrogen economy.